Welcome back to Healing Supplements videos. Today, we're diving into an ancient herbal remedy that has stood the test of time for thousands of years, licorice root. Known as the sweet root, this incredible herb has been used in traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda, and even ancient Egyptian practices for its powerful healing properties. So let's explore its essential role in the body, the amazing health benefits, what happens when your body lacks it, and the best ways to get licorice root into your daily routine. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll also share why supplementation can be so important, especially as we age. Licorice root comes from the Licorice glabra plant, native to Asia and Europe. It contains over 300 compounds, including glycyrrhizin, which is responsible for its sweet flavor and many of its health benefits. This herb has been used for centuries for everything from soothing sore throats to balancing hormones and supporting digestion. Licorice root works in the body in several unique ways. Supports the adrenal glands. It helps the body cope with stress by balancing cortisol levels, making it a natural ally against adrenal fatigue. Aids digestion. Its compounds soothe the stomach lining, reduce inflammation, and support gut health. Boosts immune function. Licorice has antimicrobial and antiviral properties, helping the body fight infections. Balances hormones. Especially helpful for women, it can support estrogen balance and ease symptoms of menopause. Respiratory support. It acts as a natural expectorant, helping clear mucus and soothe irritated airways. Let's break down some of the most powerful health benefits. Soothes the stomach. Helps with ulcers, acid reflux, and indigestion. Protects the liver. Licorice supports detoxification and reduces liver inflammation. Anti-inflammatory effects. Great for arthritis and chronic inflammation. Hormonal balance. May ease PMS, hot flashes, and menopausal symptoms. Immune boosting. Defends the body against viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Skin health. Licorice extract is often used to brighten skin and reduce redness or eczema. Respiratory relief. Helps with coughs, bronchitis, and sore throats naturally. Now, licorice root is not considered an essential nutrient like vitamin C or iron, so you won't hear about a licorice deficiency. But if your body is lacking the support it provides, you might experience constant fatigue and adrenal burnout, frequent digestive discomfort such as bloating or heartburn, hormonal imbalances like hot flashes or irregular cycles, lower immune function, catching colds easily, chronic inflammation or joint pain. These are signs that your body could benefit from additional support. And that's where licorice root supplementation may come in. You can enjoy licorice root in several forms. Tea, one of the most popular ways. A warm cup of licorice tea is soothing for digestion and the throat. Powder can be added to smoothies or warm drinks. Extracts and tinctures, highly concentrated and fast-acting. Capsules or supplements, convenient and consistent for daily use. It's important to note that licorice root can interact with certain medications and should be used carefully in people with high blood pressure. So always check with your healthcare provider before starting supplementation. As we age, our bodies go through natural changes. Weaker adrenal function, slower digestion, declining immune defense, and hormonal shifts. Licorice root helps support all of these areas, making it especially valuable for older adults. For seniors, it can reduce inflammation that contributes to arthritis, support hormone balance during and after menopause, boost energy and stamina by helping the adrenals improve digestive comfort and protect the stomach lining. That's why many natural health practitioners recommend licorice root as part of a balanced supplement routine. To sum it up, licorice root is a natural powerhouse. It helps protect your digestion, strengthens your immunity, balances your hormones, supports your liver, and helps you handle stress better. Whether you're drinking it as tea, adding powder to your smoothies, or taking a daily capsule, this herb can be a game changer for your overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Healing Supplements videos, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our new uploads. We've also linked a trusted source for licorice root supplements in the comments below. And now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried licorice root? What was your experience? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section. Your story might help someone else on their health journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep healing naturally.